This is Satoru, a traveler IT writer. Today, March 31, 2022, ANA's specially painted Star Wars aircraft, BB-8 Ana Jet, will be retired. Since this is the final flight of BB-8 Ana Jet, it was unveiled alongside ANA's other two specially painted Star Wars aircraft, R2d2 Ana Jet and C-3PO Ana Jet. BB-8 Ana Jet is painted in the motif of BB-8, the droid character from the movie. It is an international aircraft based on the Boeing 777-300ER. On March 31, the last day of operation, it was deployed on domestic flights. Initially, 4 flights were scheduled: a round-trip flight between Haneda and Naha, and a round-trip flight between Haneda and Sapporo. Unfortunately, the aircraft was changed due to a problem with the display system of the landing gear door system. Only 2 flights, NH1413 from Haneda to Shin-Chitose and its turnaround flight, NH1414 from Shin-Chitose to Haneda, were operated. BB-8 Ana Jet entered service in June 2016, and its first international flight was from Haneda to Los Angeles. After that, it operated mainly on international flights for 6 years. After retirement, the aircraft will be repainted and sold. The R2d2 Ana Jet was designed with R2d2 as its motif. It was the first specially painted Star Wars aircraft to be introduced in October 2015. The base aircraft is a Boeing 787-9. It is also an international version and is currently used for routes to Europe and the United States, such as Houston and Brussels. The C-3PO Ana Jet was designed with a C-3PO motif, and started operations in March 2017. The base aircraft for the C-3PO Ana Jet is a Boeing 777-200, which is designed for domestic flights, but is currently out of service undergoing refurbishment due to a fire accident overseas that prompted the Ministry of Land, Infrastructure, Transport and Tourism to order the suspension of operations of 777s equipped with PW engines. Flight NH1413 operated by BB-8 Ana Jet departed at 1756, about an hour later than the scheduled time of 1640. The 777-300ERJA789A on which it was based made a total of 5,180 flights. The total flight time is approximately 54,424 hours, according to ANA. The BB-8 Ana Jet flew its last flight on this day, but the remaining 2 aircraft are still scheduled to be in service. I would like to fly them if I have a chance. That's all for this report. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.